Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to record a voiceover for a video using just your phone, and then what to do with that recording so it actually becomes content people want to watch. If this helps, hit like and subscribe, because I've got more quick, real-world tips like this. This walkthrough works on both iPhone and Android, so whatever you've got in your pocket, you're good. First up, let's talk about the recording part. The quickest route is to use a free and easy editing app available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play. Download it, open it up, and tap New Project. Pick the clip you want to add the voiceover to and add it to the timeline. The app will drop your video right into the editor so you can get straight to work. Once the video is in, tap Audio on the bottom toolbar and scroll until you see Record. Move the playback cursor to the spot where you want the voiceover to start. Then tap the little microphone icon. If this is the first time you're recording, your phone will probably ask for microphone access. Say yes. You'll get a short countdown, then start talking. Quick tip. Think about where the voiceover will sit in the frame and pause for a split second before speaking so you don't cut off the first word. When you're done, tap the mic icon again to stop. The app will place the audio clip right under your video so you can see it visually. From there, you can trim the start and end, drag it to a slightly different time, change the volume, delete it, or re-record if it didn't land right. A few practical mic tips before we move on. Record in a quiet room, face a soft surface like a blanket or couch to reduce echo, and get the phone mic within a foot for clearer sound. If you want to step up the quality, use wired earbuds with a mic or a small lav mic, but you can get surprisingly clean results just by using the phone properly. And if you're doing a lot of voiceovers, consider a pop filter or an inexpensive external mic down the line. Okay, you've recorded a nice voiceover and you're happy with it. In the app, just tap the check mark and then export in the top right and save it to your gallery. That's the classic phone-only workflow, fast and effective for single videos or quick reels. But if you're trying to build a steady content stream or you have long-form videos you want to turn into lots of short clips, doing everything manually can get tedious. Here's where advanced tools come in, and I want to be real about how this compares. The mobile editor is awesome for on-the-go edits. Simple, free, and mobile first. But it's manual. You have to pick moments, export for every edit, and manage posting yourself. Some other platforms might do one of those things well. Maybe they have a fancy scheduler or a desktop-first editor, but they often charge a premium or have a steep learning curve, or they don't actually solve the biggest problem, turning long videos into consistent, high-performing short clips without you babysitting every step. The better idea is made to take long videos and automatically find the bite-sized, attention-grabbing moments, the viral clips, then create ready-to-post edits. Instead of you scrubbing through hours of footage trying to guess what will land, AI surfaces the highlights, so you get dozens of short clips from one long interview or live stream. That saves you time and keeps your posting consistent, which is what actually helps channels grow. In scheduling, the basic editor expects you to export and upload manually. Other scheduling tools might post for you, but they typically don't connect the clip creation process to scheduling. One platform bridges that gap with AutoSchedule. You set how often you want content to go out, and it will queue and post clips based on your settings. Combine that with a built-in content calendar where you can review, tweak, and push edits live across platforms. And you've basically automated the messy part of being a creator. So in practice, a good workflow might be record your voiceover and do quick edits on your phone for those fast, last-minute posts. For bigger runs, turning a 1-hour stream into a week's worth of short clips, upload the long file to the advanced system. Let it analyze and create a batch of viral-ready clips, review them in your content calendar, tweak the captions or a frame or two, and then let the autoschedule post them at times you choose. It's a hybrid approach that keeps things human and authentic, but removes the busy work. Back to recording. If you're making content specifically for the auto-editing system, think about adding markers or saying little cues in your long-form recording, things like story time or big tip, so the AI has more context. Not necessary, but it helps guide the clip selection. Also, keep multiple audio tracks clean and separate. If you can, capture a dry voice track, no background music, and a separate system audio track. The system and other editors like having clean audio so they can mix properly. One more practical comparison to call out. Some other auto-editing tools are either too expensive for creators just starting out, or they produce clips that all look the same because their templates are too rigid. This system tends to strike a balance. It's built to produce varied cuts that still feel coherent, and its content calendar gives you that centralized place to manage everything. Plus, being able to review and tweak before posting means you don't lose your voice to a templated feed. Final steps, once you've got your clips. Think about captions and thumbnails. Short captions that tease the hook work best on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. For YouTube Shorts, a slightly longer caption and a compelling still frame help. The platform's export options usually make it easy to tailor output to each platform without exporting dozens of different files manually. To wrap up, yes, you can absolutely record a voiceover directly on your phone quickly using the mobile editor. It's straightforward and perfect for quick edits. But if your goal is to turn long videos into consistent, engaging short clips at scale, Combine phone recording with the platform to automate the heavy lifting. The mobile editor for fast, on-the-fly edits, the advanced system for batch creation, scheduling, and cross-platform publishing. Use both where they shine. If you want, I can walk you through a step-by-step workflow for taking a 1-hour talk and turning it into 20 shorts using the advanced system, plus a few mobile editor touch-ups. Or I can share a checklist for recording the perfect voiceover on a phone so your audio sounds pro every time. Let me know what you want next. And again, if you found this useful, like the video and subscribe, it helps me keep making stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and go make something awesome.